Hello, Bratzies! So, lalakbay na naman tayo and the destination is Mount Pinatubo. So, here we are at the pickup station. So, we're still waiting at the van. Dito kami ngayon sa may Dunkin' Donut United. So, yan, kapakita ko. So, papasok muna tayo and then catch up later, guys. Bye! Andito na tayo sa campsite ng papuntang Mount Pinatubo and just gonna show you yung mga features nila bago tayo pumunta ng bundok. So as you can see, mga features nila. So dito yung camping site ba? Diyan tayo mag-register. So yeah. Say hi! Hi! Kaya, okay pa ba kayo dyan? So, it's almost sunrise and we're just waiting for our ATV and it's the same like this one. You're so white naman.
Yeah, I know.
Hi. Yeah. Wala naka-video. Hi. Sobra. Pilit daw eh. Dito na po kami sa Mama Saban. Yun nga yung iniisip ko eh. Bossing! Bossing! Yay! Ganda oh. Yan. Mali sila, kuya. Tama yung daan namin. Tayo pa din yung first winner. Oo na kami. Ganda. Stop, guys. Eat my dust, beach. Kapit ng malupit, boy. Dupes. Yes. Bala na mahirapan ako, mabidyoan kita, Dupes. Ang ganda ng angle mo dyan, Dupes. Yes. Hello guys! So, nandito kami sa first stop and as you can see, may mga little kiddos and mga ATAs and then, papakita kasi yung next yung view. Ganda! So, yan. Sobrang ganda. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa may Toblerone Hills. So, yeah. As you can see, medyo sandy siya. Yeah. Wala na, i-slow mo naman yan. Yeah, ready? 1, 2. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hello guys. So, yan. Yan. Military. Let's go, soldiers. So, hello guys. We are at the third stop and hindi ko pa alam kung yung next namin is Mount Pinatubo na. So, stay tuned lang and as you can see naman, sobrang ganda ng view. And hindi ko na na-videohan yung sa pagte-trek ng ATV pero sobrang ganda niya. And if only my eyes can capture all of the nice views. But yeah, it's all worth it. So, punta na kayo. We are now going to trek 3 kilometers as per kuya dun sa Mount Pinatubo. And yeah. Walk tayo. Yeah. Ano na yung mga friends ko with them. So as you can see naman, wow, talaga. On the downside is a stream. So I'm gonna wrap this up later on the Mount Pinatubo and see you there. Bye. So now need to be 2.5 kilometers to the crater. Ha? Okay, bye! Ano kaya pa? Kaya na lang oh.
Humor steps daw.
Yes.
Sabi kanina crater.
Yay! So here we are. The Mount Pinatubo. So good. And yeah. Achieved. Hello guys, so bababa na tayo. Yan. Bababa na tayo. Yan. Wide ko ba? Yan.
Pag ganon.
Pa ganon. Yay! Dito na us! This is the crater. Tayo. Diyan ka. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here's the crater of Mount Pinatubo. So yan guys, yan yung
Mga ganun. Private something.
view.
Private.
Yung Mount
Picture, pwede ba
Pinatubo.
tayo kumain? Dito ko nang kumain.
Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda din ng mga kasama ko. Yan.
Akit tayo doon.
Hi!
Doon oh.
Saan?
Pabilong po.
Yan po yung aakitin namin. Yan. Yan po yung trail. Okay na. Okay na to. Oh, okay na. Kamusta yung breathing? Worth it ka, pero kakapagod ka. As in. Ayan, so tapos na kami guys. And we're going back now. So, see you on the next vlog. Bye, Patis. No.